How to prepare for Law GAT. DIQEM online learning platform offers the Law GAT preparation course. Learn how to take advantage of smart learning at DIQEM. Open your browser and type DIQEM.com, then go to the DIQEM's website. After opening the DIQEM website, register on the platform. If you are already registered, simply log in. To learn how to register or log in, you can watch the tutorial videos available on DIQEM's official YouTube channel. Log in using your credentials. Then go to the home page and scroll down to the Courses section. In the Courses, click on the Law Graduate Assessment Test. You can check the course information yourself to see what it includes. To purchase the course, click on the Buy Now button and then click on COD, Cash on Delivery, and click on the Place Order button. Take a screenshot of this interface and send it to DIQEM's official WhatsApp number. This course includes subject-wise quizzes prepared by senior advocates, 50 or 100 MCQs in each quiz, unlimited attempts, instant results with detailed explanations. Take advantage of repeated practice to master every topic. Upward trend, evaluate yourself anytime. Identify your weaknesses, track your progress, and prepare more effectively.